Welcome back to another video. And today's video, I'm going to show you how you can access Google Gemini for free. We have two different ways to access this. One is from the web, another one is from the Google app, from Play Store or App Store. At first, Google Chrome. And here, you just have to type Gemini, hit enter, and here you will find gemini.google.com. So we are going to go with this. Let's open it in a new tab. And here, you just have to sign up through your account. I already signed up to my account. Here you can see, this is my account. You just have to create this account through Google account, let's say Gmail account. And after that, you can actually access here anything. Now let's say I want a prompt. So I'll say that I want to create a portfolio site using HTML, CSS, then JS, comma PHP. Now give me a prompt so that I can generate it through open code CLI. I'll hit enter and I will wait for this, and here you can see it gives me professional prompt. Here you can see create a professional portfolio website. So not only the prompt, you can actually use it to generate the code also. And after that, we have here multiple ways. Let's say if you want to summarize anything, you can actually upload the file here and you can actually summarize it. Now I'll show you how you can actually install it for the mobile device. So you just have to go for the Gemini Google Play. And here you can see you can install it on phone. In your PC, you can actually use this mobile application through, let's say, any emulator, the best option. So you can actually go for the BlueStacks and you can download BlueStacks, You can download this BlueStacks. And after that, you can actually use mobile app, mobile version in your PC. Yeah. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching.